Travel arrangements vocabulary exercise. The dates and times of all travel, meetings, and events should be listed carefully in the time, plan, itinerary, calendar, index. Itinerary. Always allow enough time for travel. Dash. Between trains and planes. Connections. Links. Connects. Lines. Connections. After flying across time zones, people often suffer from plane lag, allergy, jet lag, time loss. Jet lag. Allow extra time for the journey to the airport if the flight leaves around. Dash. When everyone is going to or from work. Busy time. Hurry hour. Work time. Rush hour. Rush hour. Most business people prefer to travel with dash airlines so that they can change their flight if necessary. Normal, scheduled, charter, private. Scheduled. Having to take a lot of heavy equipment means they will probably exceed the dash allowed by the airline. Baggage allowance. Luggage. Suitcase level. Load capacity. Baggage allowance. Mr. and Mrs. Truman want you to book one hotel room with bathroom, so you should book a twin room, double room and suite, connecting room, single adjoining room. Double room and suite. Remember that departure and arrival times are given in dash time. Synchronized. Coordinated. International. Local. Local. If the directors want to come home as quickly as possible, don't book them on a dash flight, which will mean staying somewhere on the way. Stopover. Indirect. Charter. Stop and go. Indirect. Flights within your own country are known as dash flights, interior, home, domestic, national. Domestic. Follow us for more interesting content like this.